All right.
Whew, here we are.
Mr. Jameson.
Yes, Mr. Bunoff.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday to you.
Was what I'll be saying next week. Why is
Friday? I was like, wait a second, what just happened?
Why is today a beautiful day for math?
Today is a beautiful day for math because Bob is here, and I'm very excited.
My brother.
So that's good. That's good. I like that. Yeah. What about you? Why is today a beautiful day for math?
Well, I would say that also, but I'm gonna say it's almost Monday.
It's almost Monday.
Almost Monday.
Third reason is because it's raining.
And it's raining. Yeah.
All right, so cheers.
2-3.
Still using theorems, postulates, or definitions about lines and angles.
Postulates.
All right, postulates.
Are we talking? We're kind of talking about definitions, then, I guess, today, huh?
So we're still using some definitions. We're going to define some different angle pairs, and we're going to use that to show some things are true or not true.
So we got lines. And
points,
they're crossing, and angles are created.
Yep. So there's these two lines right here.
Okay.
And I know these two lines are parallel.
I see some markings on there.
There's these little arrows here.
Yeah. Is that what that means? That means parallel? Okay.
Yep, these two are parallel.
Okay.
And then this line is crossing. This is called a transversal. So I'm going to write it down.
Transversal.
Which is a line that crosses.
Line that crosses. So it's crossing those other two.
At least two other lines.
Okay. Okay.
It doesn't mean that it crosses two lines that are parallel, but it crosses at least two other lines. It might cross three.
So let me get this straight. This is the transversal. That line.
Transversal. Let's label it. Let's label it T.
Okay.
That's great.
All right.
Let's label this one M and N.
Do these need to be parallel every time for that to be a transversal? No.
No.
Okay. All right.
No.
Okay. Anyhow.
So when we have two lines cut by a transversal line, there are some different definitions we have with the angle.
I see a lot of angles.
A lot of angles.
Like 8, maybe?
There's a lot.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah?
Yep. We labeled 6 of them.
Okay.
So let's see. We need to...
Corresponding angles.
Let's read the definition.
In the same corner on different lines that intersect the transversal. So corresponding angles.
Yep.
Correspond, I feel like means like goes with each other.
They go with each other. They like match.
They match.
More or less.
Okay.
So like angle 2 corresponds with angle 5. It's in the same corner on different lines that intersect the transversal.
Gotcha.
So here's the transversal. So like this one, this corner is kind of the same as this corner.
I think I see it. So there's 4 angles here.
Yep.
And there's 4 angles here. This is the top right of that quad, and this is the top right of that quad.
That's a really good way of putting it. So can I write angle 2 and angle 5 are
corresponding. Gotcha.
Okay.
I mean, and to be clear, there's a whole other list of them that are corresponding.
Yeah.
1 and 4 because they're top left.
Yeah.
3 and blank because bottom left, and 6 and 120 bottom right.
So there's a bunch of pairs.
Just one example here.
One example. And there's actually something that turns out if these two lines are parallel, if they're parallel,
which they are in this case.
If they're parallel, corresponding angles are congruent. So we can.
Man, I feel like you've been right. They are. It's really hard to.
Tough because of this daggone thing. Let me scooch it over. Corresponding angles are congruent.
Congruent.
So they're only congruent if the lines are parallel. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Crazy,
well,
shaky
I apologize. I'm not getting in here. Okay, so alternate interior angles. So okay, between the two lines and on opposite sides of the transversal.
Love it.
Okay, so here's the two lines. Between the two lines, so in here.
Yep.
And on opposite sides of the transversal. So these 4, but on opposite, like 4 and 120. Inside, and they're alternate.
Yep.
Different, opposite. And then 3 and 5.
So angle 3 and 5?
So let's
that'd be one example. One example would be 3 and 5.
Angle 3 and angle 5. Well, okay, I guess it's, okay. Are, alternate, I'm gonna go interior angles.
Abbreviations. Yep. Angle 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles.
So 5 is used twice, but that's okay.
Yep.
That's okay.
It's got another relationship going on there.
And I mean, I'm just eyeballing this, and it appears that angle 3 and angle 5 are congruent.
They are congruent. If those two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are congruent. What's congruent mean again?
Exactly the same. Same size and same scale and same
measure.
Same measure.
Exact same measure. Exact same measure. So when you say same size, you mean the same angle measure.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Good.
So they're the exact same measure. All right. Same side interior angles.
Same side.
Same side.
Same side.
Interior angles. Okay.
Same side.
So the same side of
between two lines.
Same side.
Same side of the triangle. Okay. Same side.
Here's the transversal. Let's go to one side. Let's go to the left side. So
those are on the
3
same
and
side.
4, because it says interior. So the same side. The three. Angle 3 and 4.
Angle 3 and angle 4 are same side.
Oh my god.
Interior angles.
Same side.
Same side.
Yep. Okay, so what's the property there? It doesn't look like
they don't look
the
the same.
Even though they're on the same side.
But I think in some sort of investigation they will show that.
You should know. Well, yeah, they do. They should show that.
In some investigation in class, you would show that they are what's
supplementary.
Supplementary.
Because the angle measures add up to 180 degrees.
Yeah, they don't look the same. That's for sure. That looks smaller than 90. That looks bigger than 90.
Right, totally.
Same side.
Well, the reason really is 3 and 5 have the same angle measure, and 120 and angle 4 have the same angle measure. Right, this one.
Right.
So like since these are a linear pair.
That's a linear pair.
And so like
that's
these,
a linear pair.
You're right. Like this would be this is a linear pair. Yeah, it just kind of with substitution it works out.
There's a flow.
So,
our supplementary.
Our goal then is to use some of these new vocabulary words along with old vocabulary words to solve this puzzle. So we're going to try to find all these angles, and our goal in this problem right now is to try to link it back to the given angle. We don't always do that, but we try to like have a reason for why we solved that.
That's our foot in the door, if you will.
Right. Yes. So angle 1.
Oh my God. Our favorite.
It's your favorite. What is it?
I love vertical angles. I love vertical angles.
Vertical angles.
And everyone else does too.
Angle. So it's 120, right?
Yes.
Angle 1 is a vertical angle. So our angle pair is vertical.
We're in. We've just cracked the door open. We're into this puzzle.
Angle 2.
Do you do this? I don't know. Do you do that? I don't know.
You could do that. Yeah.
Sometimes it's easy for me to see. I got the stupid brain sometimes.
You're good.
Okay. All right. Angle 2. Do we have to go in order?
Don't have to.
You don't have to, but that's just.
But our goal in this problem is to link it back to the original 120.
So I'm just gonna cover those up.
Yep.
Can you see that? Okay. So we notice that angle 2 and 120 they combine to make a straight line.
Yep.
What's linear pair?
Linear
There's so many words for those, like line, supplementary, 180.
It's a linear pair.
There's so many vocab terms for that.
Linear pair.
Linear pair. So linear, that means adds up to 180.
Yep.
So 120 plus 60 equals 180 because we want to make a line 180 degrees, supplementary, linear pair.
Yep.
So 60.
Yep.
60 degrees.
Nice.
I'm just gonna put that in there too. And then so I say linear pair here?
Yep.
Linear pair, okay. Why am I acting like I don't know what I'm doing?
Why are you acting like you don't know? No, you know what you're doing. Angle 3 then. Angle 3 is a vertical angle with this one, but we're going to try to link it to this one. So we could say, it's 60 because we know of angle 2. It's a linear pair again. So
60
we can say linear.
So there's kind of multiple answers here.
Yeah, it's a linear pair. We're all assuming that we're linking back to 120 in this particular example. And you'll have a practice problem that's like that. Let's just keep crunching along here. That's 60. Okay. Oh, wait. I did that wrong.
Oopsie.
I'm sorry.
Oh, thank goodness.
My apologies.
That's why it's good to have two of us here.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay. Angle 4.
Angle 4.
Ooh.
Well, that is an alternate interior angle.
That's the same side interior angle.
It's an alternate interior angle.
That's the same side.
Alternate interior angle.
There's multiple options here.
It's an alternate, right? With 120.
With 120.
With 120.
So you want to keep going back to that 120.
I want to go back to the 120.
Okay. I'm looking at that 62. 60 and 120 would make same side supplementary. All right.
That's true.
Okay, all right.
So we can solve this puzzle because it's an alternate interior.
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior.
Wait, hold on. What are alternate? They're congruent. That's right.
So this is 120 because of, I'm going to abbreviate this, alternate interior angles. That's the angle here.
So we just did 4, 120. Okay, so angle 5
and 120,
linking back to that one. So same side. They're on the same side.
Same side.
And they're supplementary. That means that's 60.
Yep.
They add up to 180.
That's right. Same side.
Supplementary.
Well. The angle pair. That's a good. But
Skirt.
we want to use same side, don't we?
You're right.
Thanks for evening out the mistakes. That was a gimme.
Same side. Oh, SSIA.
Yeah, SSIA
Okay.
would work. SSIA.
So the second erase on this
You
problem.
better be clear on those, though.
S side interior
Angle.
Boom.
Okay.
All right.
Angle 6.
We haven't used this one.
It's the last one.
Yeah.
We've used these two. We've used vertical angles. We've used linear pair corresponding.
They're in the
It's
bottom
the
right.
bottom right of these four. Bottom right of
quad.
these four is 6. So it must be corresponding angles are congruent if those two lines are parallel, and we know they are. So this is
120.
corresponding angles. And it's 120. That's how you link them together. So you're always looking back to those.
Got it.
All right.
G23.
Good luck.